So x is a continuous random variable with cumulative episode. Find probability density function. So we're going to differentiate from episode to f kecil. We're going to differentiate by every interval here. So step by step, x less than 0, f kecil equals to differentiate with respect to x. For 0, we get 0. So next interval, f kecil equals to differentiate x over 8. So it will give you 1 over 8. Then step number 3 will be the next interval, x between 2 and 5. So this probability density function, we're going to differentiate x minus 1 over 4. So for this one, we might have a bit difficult. So we simplify it. It will be x over 4 minus 1 over 4. That will be easier. So differentiate x over 4, we get 1 over 4. Differentiate numbers, we get 0. So the last step, for the last interval, probability density function, we're going to differentiate number 1. So it gets 0. So from here, we can conclude out our probability density function, which is our piecewise function, we have, which is 1 over 8 for x between 0 and 2. Another answer is 1 over 4 for 2, 5. Lastly is 0 for otherwise. So this is our small f. So after that, then only we see our questions. So definitely we have to use the technique of integration, because we say hence find the probability of x greater than 4, 1 and 3. So from f kecil. So when you want to find probability from f kecil, you have to integrate. So for question A, you want to find probability x more than 4. Firstly, we want to see the interval clearly. We want to see the area, right? So we can draw 0 until 2, 2 until 5. So here is 1 over 8, here is 1 over 4. So this can help us to visual our area and our piece of the graph more easily. So more than 4, random variable 4 is at here. So the area we'll be finding here will be 4 up to 5 for the function 1 over 4, so dx. So we must use integration to find out the probability using fx, f kecil. So we cannot answer using f besar. So here we integrate 1 over 4, we get 1 over 4x. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit, we get 1 over 4 of our area, which is our probability. And then for question B, what they ask us to do, 1 until 3. So we want the probability 1 until 3. So let's just see on our interval. 1 is at here, meanwhile 3 is at here. So 1 to 2, one function, one piece, 2 to 3, another function. Integrate 1 to 2 for 1 over 8 ds. Continue 2 to 3 for 1 over 4 dx. So different function, different part, we have to stop. We have to stop and change to the corresponding function. Then our area only correct. So integrate, we get x. Integrate 1 over 4, also get x. Put our upper limit minus lower limit. And then we can just press our calculator. So that will be our area. That will be our probability from this probability density function f kecil.